Welcome to the wonderful world of model railroading. To make your dream into a reality, you'll need to know the basics. Let's start by choosing your scale. Trains come in many sizes. Among the most popular are N, HO, and, the real thing. Smaller scales occupy less space, while larger scales tend to have more details. Once you've chosen what suits you best, let's move on to selecting your train. This is a very important decision in Model Railroading 101. Trains come in big, small, old, and modern designs. There are so many selections to choose from, so pick carefully.
There's so many trains! This one!
Let's move on to your layout. Many modern-day layouts have buildings, grass, cars, trees, train tracks, locomotives, excavators, front-end loaders, lumber sheds, rocks, hotels, houses, stores, apartments, fire stations, warehouse streets, cities. But, to avoid complications, we'll start with a simple layout. First, find a level surface. Next, snap in your pieces of track together, like so. And your locomotive will have an easy time running.
Like this?
You never get it. Wiring. It's very important to have neat, organized wiring for smooth, safe model operation. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Operating your locomotive. Model railroading is an interesting hobby enjoyed by many generations for years. And you will get to participate in this delicate...
Press the Thomas button!